Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your microphone to your laptop. So the first thing is you have this microphone case that we gave everyone. So you have the number on here. In this case, this is number 66. And now if I open it up, I'll now have these different pieces inside of here that I'll use with my laptop. Please remember again that these stay with your case only and not to give them to your neighbors. This right here, this is for hooking up to the iPad. You will not use this right away. Once you do though, make sure you do take off this piece. You can actually do that now. Remember, red tape is where the microphone end always goes. And I'll show you exactly where that goes. I'm gonna put that to the side. This piece right here, you'll be using with your laptop. So remember again, I have my number here that matches up with what was on the case. The red tape here, that is where I'm going to plug the microphone receiver into. So this right here is the receiver piece. And I'm going to go and take this plastic strip off, and I'm going to plug it in. I have two ports here. Remember, it goes into the port with the red tape. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. And perfect. I'm just going to put that right there for the moment. Now the other very important part is this is the microphone. This is what you actually attach to your body. So I have this piece right here. And this just usually I clip it so you can see you got this little slide right here. This slides on. Usually I'm going to put it against like that and just clip and slide on. Easy enough. Now when I turn both of them on, you can see how they start to blink blue. Give it a second here. Sorry, it might be a little bit hard to see there, but they're now solid blue. Try to get the angle with the lights. There you go, solid blue. So that means that they're now paired up together. Notice again, I have my numbers here and my number here. Those have to match up. That is why these pieces cannot be swapped with your neighbors. Now, once I'm done, right now I'm off. Please be sure to turn them off when they're done. Remember, the life on these will be about 3 to 4 hours. So if you just leave them on all the time, they will not last. Now, the other very important part of your pouch is this is your charging cable. I'm going to take this out, undo that. So this USB cable, this will go into the power strip that was left with y'all. If you were not a classroom teacher, you may not have got a power strip. In that case, you may need a USB wall plug. Just let me know if you need one, and I'll get you one. So now, once again, this is a dual splitter. So one end is going to plug into here to charge. And the other end will now go into the other end. And now, when you go off to lunch or when you leave for the night, make sure to charge them so that they're nice and charged up. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back in the case. Please leave it in the case because you do not actually need it. There is also this piece right here. It's kind of in a plastic bag. You do not need that for anything, so please just leave those in the case. So I'm going to put this back inside. You can throw this out, all the other stuff, that's fine. If you're also, there's like kind of plastic film on here. Feel free to take the plastic film off and toss it out or throw it at your neighbor. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this, put it to the side. So now, remember, actually, unplug these. I'm going to put this back in the case over here too. So again, not using this USB cord, it's in my case. All right, so now I'm left with my microphone and my receiver for my laptop. The microphone, you go ahead and this usually goes onto like your belt loop or your pocket or wherever you want to, or you can just put in your pocket. This is your receiver, or this is the microphone itself. Go ahead and you want to clip this on your shirt or somewhere. It just has to be a reasonable distance from your mouth. You don't have to like look down and breathe into it or anything. You just talk naturally and it'll work. I'm going to put that to the side because this is on imaginarily on my body. So now this is my USB dongle. So let me grab this laptop over here. I have my laptop. So try to get this facing here. So I have my USB port right here. Just take it in and plug it into my USB port. And once it's plugged in, nice and secure, this is in here. I am now ready to go ahead and start my Google Meet live stream.